We're gonna be doing a who can see in this truck the longest as you can see. We're not allowed to go in the front. Like,
So guys,
we're allowed
this
to go
is
in the front. We're only allowed to be in the back, and we have like a pretty nice. We have pillows.
wins the challenge. We have snacks.
Yeah, and now Sophie's gonna go get water, and then we'll start. Let's
So
go. Okay, guys. So make this more interesting, we're gonna have like challenges
Let
along
me
the way.
explain.
No, let's me. So we're gonna have challenges along the way, and then like whoever.
For example, you know a hand football thing. We also teach you how to play it. So there'll be a match of that. The loser has to get off.
No. The loser won't have to get up. The loser will have to do something which might make them want to get up.
Nah, bro. We'll
No. Let's do that. Because then they won't be that intense. I want everyone to have fun.
But there'll be challenges.
Yeah,
so you
there
guys
will be
know.
challenges.
Guys, as you can see, Sophie's
We have
here with
water.
Samosa.
We have glasses
snacks.
and.
So let's start. So
Okay, guys. Sorry if you guys get bored in this because it's like just a normal
guys.
long.
Guys, we have pillows also. We also have Mexican chili chips. Okay, guys. So the first challenge. Guys, the first challenge will be the winner gets to have one Mexican chili chip. Okay. One last contestant. Wait, guys, one second.
One second.
Take off head. Guys, look who decided to join us. So yeah. Now the first challenge will be me and Zoe on hand football.
Guys, you're gonna be at the bottom, okay?
Okay, it'll be me and Zoe in hand football. So let's start.
No, but like the loser does not need to get off.
No, yeah, should get
No, that's not fair.
Bro,
They have to do something which like hang off the truck for like
okay.
like
Yeah, okay.
30 seconds.
Hey, Mat, get out of here, boy.
Okay, ready? 3. I am kickoff.
Okay, no, you have to do heads or tails.
Okay, you can have kickoff.
Okay, I'll kick off, guys. So
Goal, miss, red card, goal, miss.
guys, are like goal, miss, look at red card, and you know that's it.
And then he got a miss.
So I missed it.
Goal, miss, yellow.
I have a yellow, bro.
Goal, miss.
Oh, I'm playing so bad.
Goal, miss, yellow card, red card, goal, miss, yellow.
Oh,
he's out.
I'm out.
Okay,
I
you need one
might get
goal.
out of this challenge like right now. If Zoe gets
No,
one
no,
goal-
you'll have to then like.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you have to like do a challenge at my way. Goal, miss, yellow card, red card, goal. Yes, sir!
Okay, guys,
so
now
your
it's challenge time.
Your challenge is
I have to hand off.
hang
the
off
jug.
like this. Let me show you.
Yeah.
Show.
Wait, one second, guys. This is a demo of what to do.
do like this.
That's a demo for at least 20 seconds.
No, for 40 seconds.
Improve. Okay.
Oh,
Now, let's see.
Okay, let's start. Okay, guys, let's start in 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Guys, you can
7,
see, I'm here.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Keep leaning. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Keep leaning at the back. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Let's go.
Very nice job, Qasim.
Okay,
So
guys.
guys, after that challenge, we're gonna chill for a little while, pause the video, then unpause it, and then
And guys,
we'll chill for like 2
bro,
minutes.
let's just get back to challenge. Now Sophie and Imad will do the challenge. Let's see if
Football.
a contestant gets out.
Okay, guys, the second challenge is rock, paper, scissors. Okay, guys, Qasim wants a mini music video. We'll add it.
We can't go inside.
No, we can't go there.
Yeah. And then we can come back. And by the way, guys, now it's Imad and Sophie's challenge.
Rock, paper, scissors, best of 3. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, guys, the punishment will be the same for any challenge, okay? Okay, so guys, do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Okay, Mad one round. Right?
Imad
1, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Imad 2-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Imad 3-0.
3-0, oh my god, Sophie, you're dead. Since they're younger, we'll let them do it 30 seconds instead of 40 seconds. Because we're gonna be fair. Guys, look how comfy this is. But it's so hot. You don't even know how hot it is.
Right, so
Okay, guys. Sophie is out because she was not following the rules,
and she was not following through, and they got into a fight, and
and now
got
she's
out.
crying and blah blah. Vroom.
Okay, so they're out of the challenge. She's out of the challenge, but there's still 3 of us, including 4 of us, including Heather. So
Yeah.
yeah, let's go. And by the way, guys, this is an actual truck.
So yeah, I'll show you guys. Wait one second.
Let's go. Oh my.
Hola, kare kuchi to palte to paya je maine gore se matan paya. Okay, guys. Now the third challenge, right? Third challenge. Right? Yeah, third challenge. So the third challenge will be like before the third challenge we're gonna vibe for a little bit. Like we'll like show just some like we'll show like some features of the cars, what it is, and like give you a tour of what we're staying in for like next 1 hour, 2 hours. So wait for it.
Okay,
Guys, since we can't show the in the front, otherwise we'll get out. So I'll just show you guys like that. Can you guys see?
Okay, guys, I've been right here. You know where we have to stay. Wait, can you show it? Show the
That's a
for
cabin.
connections have cabin. You know. Okay, so this is the place. This is usually where we do the challenges. And yeah, we have like 4 pillows. We have a stash there. We have take out
That
one
car is
pillow.
famous.
I didn't know this. Sorry. Guys, wait. Guys, look. It's a woo-er. Guys, look. It's a woo-er.
You want this? Okay, one sec. Okay, guys, Sophie's permanently out of the challenge because I don't know why she's not coming back.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's do the third challenge. Let's go.
Guys? Wait, guys. The third challenge, I know.
We're doing last to leave the house.
We are doing last to leave the truck. Last to leave the truck. Last to leave the truck. Okay, guys, I have a perfect idea for the third challenge.
See, to buy chips again. It's okay.
Recreate
Mama,
recreate one of our Prim's videos on the dollar.
And the person who does it best. The person who does it worst.
No, they're not challenge. This is like just a challenge. It's just for fun for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, ready for the Prims? Let's go.
And by the way, it's a challenge. Just telling you guys, make it juicy.
Okay, guys, we're starting in 3, 2, 1.
Guys, right now Iman has to get off since we need space, but that does not mean he's out. Because there's
What are you doing?
limited space and we need to like.
Kasim said I can
Yeah,
get out because you don't have space.
Yeah, it doesn't count as him being qualified though. So just so we need space now.
Yeah, guys, we're just gonna set it up real quick and
And just give a second.
Okay,
Guys, Sophie's coming back. It's not rigged or anything, but
we had to do it because Allah will be happy.
okay. Let's start with the video challenge.
One thing, guys, we're not gonna be recreating. We're gonna just be making a new one. Okay? Let's go. Mahad. Sorry, guys, for so many breaks before the video. Sorry, I'm not going to prank you. We're going to Luke Davidson video. That's gonna be really fun. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go clean your room.
It's my room,
But it's my house.
but it's my life.
But if I'm your mother and this is my house, you're under my ground, so it's my house. So go clean your room.
If it's your house, then how about you go clean it?
That was so funny.
Okay, guys. Now you know what? Let's both hang down and see what comes out of it. Okay, bro. Let's go. Yes, guys, we're both gonna be hanging off this thingy bujingy.
Can you bring like the entire box?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we've got a hang off challenge. I don't know if you guys can see this. Guys, can you just
I can film you guys.
No, it's fine. Just get out so I can.
Okay, wait, guys. 3.
Heather side पर हो जाओ.
Okay, wait, guys.
Heather sit here. Heather sit there. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Just eating.
How long are we doing this actually?
I don't know.
Okay, let's have a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting.
It's just a fun challenge. Nothing comes out of it. Whoever loses.
17, 18.
Can we do this?
21. 22.
I'm not.
You know what? I'll be a goat and just get myself out. Okay, guys?
Nah, don't.
Don't do it, guys. Okay, guys. I'm out of the challenge. And look, let's just get Sophie out also because we have to end it.
Yeah, so with you're out. Not my
Okay, guys. Now Zoe and Imad are here. I sacrifice myself for the sake of this
Bro,
video.
he's the real hero.
Okay, now.
But you know what? He can stay in the truck, but he's not in the
Yeah,
truck.
I'm out of the challenge, but yeah. So, Imad and Zoe and Heather are left, but he doesn't really count.
Please, just go bind the
So, so guys, it's Imad and Zoe who will stay. I can stay in the truck, but I'm out. Okay.
Oh my God, guys! Thank God we got to show you. That's really sick.
Sorry, guys. Just 1 second.
God, guys, it's so
Heather, if you want to stay here, then be quiet. If you want to make noise.
Okay, guys. Oh, is it hot here? I should have worked.
Not No. Okay, now the challenge is for
Bro, can we wait for a little while for the challenge?
and Zoe. Now the challenge, what will it be? You guys will just know.
Okay, guys, I know the challenge. Whoever can do wait. This Superman pose for the longest.
I can't even reach it. Okay, so
you
one
can't
second,
reach
guys.
it.
I'll do it like
Okay, guys, let's start.
Now,
Imad
has to go on one leg.
You have
Now,
to be
guys,
on
the
one
person who loses this challenge loses the
Hey, you
whole
can't hold
game.
that. You can't hold
Now,
that.
the person who loses has to get off. So this will be the juicy challenge.
Oh, this is easy.
Oh, Iman's struggling. So it's easy.
Oh, he's holding it. He's holding.
It's okay, you can hold it.
No, he can't. He
Hold it.
can't. He can't.
And let's see, Iman. Sophie,
He got off. He got off. I saw
He
his
got
foot.
off?
I saw his foot.
Okay, that's the end of
Let's
the challenge.
Let's go. Let's go. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.